I come from a village farmer's family. So the farming was in my blood, you know. Then when I started job here in Gangtok, I thought of doing something during my extra time, leisure time, say apart from office hour. So keeping in mind of that, I just got one plot of land. This is direct purchase from others because I come from other districts, so I didn't have any land reported here. So then this farm I just built a small cow shed and started keeping 1-2 cow for milking. So initially I used to utilize all the milk at home only, and my neighbors when I used to at Gangtok. Then gradually it started increasing, day by day. So I had also then I thought why not to have some sort of demonstration to my young people, those who are educated, unemployed. So I thought a little bit increasing this activity. So then I added more, say piggery I added, poultry I added. Then gradually I increased the number of cows also. Then obviously when I increase the number of cows, I need more people, laborers to work also. In that way also I am giving almost 10 people employment for their livelihood. They are doing here. They are here only. त्यसै माथिबाट यो कुखुराको सुली गाईको गोबर यसरी आउँछ कि यो सुँगुरहरू सप्लिमेन्ट्री फुड हुन्छ यसरी पानी आउँछ नि Then you see initially then the people increases, number of cows increases, then milk products obviously goes high. So I started distributing milk around my neighbors. So they are also happy by getting the pure milk. So you know why we get pure milk. Pure milk is what people takes some sort of the hope and aspiration for the people. So that if they get pure milk, then that will be good for health. So that way I started doing. Then I thought of doing slowly it had started automatically getting publicity in the department also, in the state also. Then obviously then agriculture and animal husbandry department, they have started bringing their farmers for training here also. So I am just voluntarily giving them some sort of technical knowledge knowledge about how to do integrated farming. I have been giving them also. Side by side piggery, we go for only meat purpose. I don't go for breeding. In that way, chicken and poultry also I go for meat purpose only, no breeding. Then initially I started fish culture also. So this is all integrated farming. I've been doing it just so that our people also, when they come here, they at least if out of 10 people, say 2-3 people, if they started doing this, that is better. There is a proverb in Nepali, Afu nanache chhaya nachदैन. So that means if you don't move, your shadow won't move. So this principle we have to keep in mind, because if you don't work, if you don't supervise continuously, regularly, obviously the labor, they have limited knowledge, resource, all these things. So timing issue started, I generally wake up at 3 a.m. morning. Then 3 a.m. I'll come here. Then I will start waking up my laborers. Sometimes they wake up before I come, and then we'll just wash the cow first. Cow shed we wash it. Then we go for some laborers go for milking, some they go for preparing food for feeding. This we do it. गाउँको भुस फिटर यहाँबाट दिनुपर्छ स्पिनार लगाएर that way. Then I started wanted to go for zero waste management, so then I started vermicompost, urine collection. Then gradually vermicompost is good for because government started declare state as organic state. So obviously then it is pick up. Then I have supplied many farmers vermi worms free of cost. That I must do. दिउँसो चाहिँ बोसर हुन्छ पानी हुन्छ होइन राति चाहिँ खोलिदिन्छ यो चाहिँ एकदम राम्रो सेल हुन्छ. Generally, as far as cow is concerned, we go for traditional foods like grass, hay, paddy hay, and some sort of maize. We call it chakra. We give all this. I don't go for this ready-made feed. Like generally people they give it this humal, all this. I don't do because I believe that feed contains some sort of chemicals. Don't know exactly, but I don't prefer that. Not exactly exporting. We are supplying to the neighbors, so directly they take it. Open market. First open market. दिनु चाहिँ त्यो डाइरेक्ट दिनु यसरी एउटा नेचुरल बनाउँछ क्या फिलिङ. अघि मैले पम्प जस्तो बनाएको छु नि यहाँ पानी हुन्छ हो त्यो पम्प खोल्दैपछि पानी खाइबस्छ कि एज इफ उनीहरू नेचुरल स्ट्रिममा खान्छ उनीहरूलाई पनि फिल हुन्छ कि साइकोलोजी एनिमल साइकोलोजी. Sikkim is basically an agricultural state, and here every citizen of Sikkim have some sort of small or big or plot of land, and we call it, there's a proverb also in Nepali, Uttam Kheti, Madhyam Bepar, Kanso Nokari. That means first priority should be in the agriculture sector. Second comes business, third comes, of course, employment. So in Sikkim, I generally suggest, especially those young educated youth, children, they are educated. They know the technology. Technology is now at their doorstep. So they must adopt some sort of scientific type of farming. What we have been doing, what we used to, our forefather used to do, they are all traditional. So what I suggest them, they are now educationally, they are quite distinct. Educated people are there. They have energy, they have age, they have knowledge. So I suggest at least they should start some sort of, they should utilize their whatever land they have, they should utilize for agriculture purpose, farming purpose, which is good. Not only that, their socio-economic will be uplift. At least they will have their good health by getting, by getting fresh vegetable, fresh milk, fresh meat. By consuming that, they will have a good health. Health is very important. That's why I suggest them they should at least utilize their land for agriculture and this farming purpose. Same, whatever manure, zero waste management is my concept. Because, even cow dung, cow urine, it's all usable items. So whatever we get, I get it from my farm. I supply to others also. Those who are interested, those who are willing, they take it from my friends. And even my farm also, I all use this for growing vegetables and other purpose. Challenge, of course, life itself is a challenge, we have to accept it. Initially it was quite tough. Now everything is set right. It's now on the track, it is moving. But once you overcome these problems, so you are really enjoying it. Now I am enjoying it. You see, I am above 60. Still I wake up at 3 o'clock morning. I go to bed around 8 o'clock. Whole day I don't sleep, I don't nap, This you really enjoy it.